Ibn Abi Atiq states, I and Qasim bin Muhammad, Hazrat Aisha's nephew, started narrating a hadith to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Qasim bin Muhammad was extremely loquacious and his mother was a slave girl who had given birth to a baby, Walad. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said to him, What is wrong with you, that you do not talk like this nephew? I know where you have come from. His mother has taught etiquette to him and yours to you. Hearing it, Qasim got gloomy and he expressed his grief to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha too. When Qasim saw Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha spreading meals met, he got up. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha whereupon asked, Where are you going? He replied, To offer prayer. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Sit down. He again said, I am going to perform the prayer. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha again said, O disloyal, sit down. I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, Do not perform prayer at the time of meal or when you resist the call of nature. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1246.